Okay, so that's my sister Amy, her feet, and she's sitting here playing with Trig with the Birdcatcher Pro, and he was flying in the air, so I'm hoping that he'll repeat this. We're in my basement in the laundry room. Change the direction up every now and again so he doesn't get the pattern. Oh my goodness, you're so stinking cute! And give you kisses and squeezes.
I wore them out already.
I know. We might have started recording a little bit too late. Oh my goodness, look at those chiggy paws! It's chiggy business! It's cuteness! He was doing more of that earlier. Chiggy, I feel like we're doing an advertisement for Sherwin-Williams Promar.
Let go.
It's on his claws. I need to cut it. I need to cut their claws because they're getting stuck in too many things. Get him, Wub! Charlie immediately starts panting, so sometimes it sounds like he's hissing, but it's just like loud breathing weirdness.
No, you actually take it. No, you come here.
Wait, this is not helping my hunting instincts. I'm supposed to catch my prey and take it off and eat it! Get him, Gauss! Oh, man!
Where is Charlie sitting? No, you let me.
Sometimes he'll just play with it, though. Sometimes he won't walk away. Bub, are you thinking it's going to come to you? Bub, that's not much of effort.
No.
We've been playing with them with this for about 20 or 30 minutes. And we're in the basement because when Charlie catches it, he hauls it down the stairs. So we started in the living room, and then he hauled it down the stairs. Get him, Gauss. That thing is all messed up. So Amy keeps telling him no because she doesn't want him to haul it away.
I'm afraid it'll hurt their backs.
Yeah, it's kind of like the frisbee thing with dogs. I don't know if it...
Hey. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
But then again, if they...
Let go.
If they were out in the wild, probably wouldn't be this long of an interaction. The bird would die a lot faster.
Why are you panting? You haven't been doing anything.
He pants quickly.
Hey. Let go. Grab it.
Charlie. He's growling at you.
Charlie. Charlie, mine. Thank you.
I don't think he's ever growled at me. That's hilarious.
What are you doing? You're laying down. You're such a lazy fart.
Get him, Gauss.
Oh, gosh.
Gauzy, it's your turn. Get it. So, Amy, you gotta make it fly more like a bird. This is a Birdcatcher Pro. I'm a pro. I hope I had enough frame to get that. It's hard when you're videotaping. You have a tendency to want to watch the live action rather than the screen on the camera. So hopefully I got that one. Oh, gossy. It's a flying ghost! Chickie, do you think you could have your own circus act? I'm thinking so, Chickadoo! Chickie, you think people would come and see you at Barnum and Bailey? But see how quickly he gets annoyed by it? He's like, oh, God, this is a stupid game. I figured this game out already. What? Is it all wound up?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it for now, folks. I'll include a link in the About section where you can buy the Birdcatcher Pro if you want to check it out. We just did a review on it. I'm a big fan of it. It's a good thing. Not that I'm a big fan, but the Birdcatcher Pro is a good thing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.